Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust an air compressor regulator. One thing you need to remember about using air tools and stuff, some of them require different pressures to operate efficiently. Nail guns, that type of stuff, you're going to want to use somewhere anywhere from 90 to 120 psi. If you're spraying using a texture hopper or something small like that, it's usually around 25 psi. Different tools require different pressures to operate correctly, and what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to adjust your compressor, the regulator on the compressor. This particular model right here is 135 psi. What it is, the first gauge right here, it will give you the pressure inside the tank, and the second gauge here, which is what you turn the knob here, and this regulates your pressure coming out of the tank. Now the tank will hold whatever pressure that the compressor is rated for, and this dial right here is all you do is you control the pressure coming out of the hose. Okay, so when you turn the knob, you can either back it down and get it back down to around 20 or 30 psi or whatever pressure you need, and you can turn it the other way and it'll make the gauge go up, and that way you can control it. You can control the pressure coming out of the compressor and you get the right pressure going to your tool.